Morning guys, Jamaican at the best TV. I'm just have a jump right in on the news. Yeah man, gonna see what I want and what I want.
Alright, so I'm aware that they don't have a ticket.
So where you carrying? You carrying at the police station?
So I'm not taking anything.
Where you want me for
Under the airport regulation,
Yeah.
it's an arrestable offense for you to be here.
Oh, so what me have to do? Come out of the airport.
Thank you.
Okay. This one. Go video on a so cocky woman. Monkey. Go video your mama. Monkey. I will both head with my phone. I wish.
Remember everything you say?
You know what night and day to go and beat me, you want to fuck that up. Hey, you think of paper card things then? From that I put out, you want to fuck on the extra layer, be a lick me get. Hey boy, take up my clothes for you. You know I'm not going to think for
Good morning Jamaican at the best TV and welcome to the news, our morning news. Yeah man, right now, this I get arrested at the airport. Yeah man, and we have a pastor here on video, we are chat to 14 years, so we want to know what going people stick and stay and watch what going on the news. Yeah man, and further on the news too, we have peanut jet down there, so woman came go station, so she want her money.
Don't make nobody else call me because you can't drive no fear in me. Me been a plan for this. You never know. Hey, you not even know say you take the bait, you stop take the bait them because everything is a test. Everything is a test and everything about life is spiritual. So go and take the bait them and feel like a joke thing me attack when me say you used to beat me but beat me now. Me want me and you go in a boxing ring, dog. Hey, dog, stop. Me hate you like Paizo. Just leave me alone, brother, please. Free and happy. Me hate you, dog. I could care less who I fuck you. Me no business. You know where you go wrong? We will never do nothing. Now we are this and who hurt you down this them. Me not like that.
Who hurt me down this them? I say
yes, you know this them too. You know do it in my eyesight. Oh, that's why me hurt, because me is the type of person like this. You see, if I spice this, I spice me and this hurt.
Let's try to mend fences, please. We can do it better. Me know so we can do it better. Me and you talk pampute and we rap. Me know you hurt and me know why you hurt. Because you feel like you never trouble her and she just get up and do the song. But if me can get over it, remember me and her go at it, you know. Remember she talk some things about Lisa, you talk some things about this still, you know.
Yo,
and I'm over it.
And me and you war evil one day, me and say, Lisa, you know, say, you go some bombs and apologize to Spice about 10 people. You listen to that one song there, you should apologize to everybody, you know. So, I'm going to be the bigger person right now, as I do before, and just apologize to everybody when I disrespecting that song. Although, me did feel like, say, everybody just did against me through the local picture. Come out with me.
That you gone wrong with.
Well,
I personally wasn't against her.
He feel so upset about it and Moran, woman. That's why me did feel hurt because at the time,
you know,
female feel bad, but me talk about it.
We talk about it all the time.
It's really bad, you know. We talk about it and we feel so upset about it, and then we go see us do a video.
I never feel so. Me did feel like, say, everybody just did against me through the local picture. Come out with me.
That you gone wrong with.
Well,
I personally wasn't against her.
He feel so upset about it and Moran, woman. That's why me did feel hurt because at the time,
you know,
female feel bad, but me talk about it.
We talk about it all the time.
It's really bad, you know. We talk about it and we feel so upset about it, and then we go see us do a video.
I never feel so.
You know where you go wrong? We will never do nothing. Now we are this and who hurt you down this them. Me not like that.
Who hurt me down this them? I say
yes, you know this them too. You know do it in my eyesight.
Oh,
that's why me hurt, because me is the type of person like this. You see, if I spice this, I spice me and this hurt. If I spice, and then what do you know? What do you know?
Yeah.
I post a picture.
How many times you feel what a condom feel like?
The only time I feel what a condom feel like I when you did buy the condom and we try it.
Do you ever have sex with a partner?
I never have sex with nobody else.
I think would be answer me.
I not have to think good, me sure I'm answer. Here's what I feel like best thing to do. That anytime you see me on my phone, you know, things say, as somebody may attack, so every time you go say, every time you go ask me, who me attack, who me this, who me that. Like we supposed to have this sitting, do sitting around.
Hold on now. Stop pushing me and call it. I don't like that. I can't do that right now.
What do you mean by me can't do that right now?
I tell you, give me some time, don't? And that's all me I beg you. Please, just give me some time now. And number two, even if me was not in a sexual relationship, you don't think so me that's still concerned and
you would have concerned, but not like that.
Yes.
I'm not so obsessed every single minute.
Okay, I can't be obsessed now.
Uncle Wayne, is this nothing less than an obsessed behavior? But no, me I tell you how me feel about the whole entire thing, and it's like me no know you still have find a way to kind of justify it.
I don't justify nothing.
But Uncle Wayne, that you always do.
I always do.
You always are just, even when me explain to you, say, this make me uncomfortable. Me sit down right through yesterday and me explain everything to you. Was it yesterday or the day before yesterday? Yesterday. Why we can't just have like one normal father and daughter relationship?
That will happen very soon. I'm very sad about that. I mean, go turn on, man, turn on. I thought behave so.
What do you mean stop behave so?
Let us get on it, touch you.
But, let me just talk to you a while ago.
But it is soon happen already, yeah?
Yeah, but we need to start from now.
Man, no race, I know sex more than, you know, I know sex time. I just stop that, don't bother with that no man, because you don't expect something to stop abrupt like that. I tell you, say gradually to happen, you don't trust me?
But yeah, I don't know what you're going to do. I don't know what you're going to do, but you have to go work out. You have to go work out some sitting with mommy.
Work out, right?
Because me can't provide you with that anymore.
Anymore?
Yes.
Yeah, she said, give me some time. I'm here going to make it right. You don't believe me?
Yeah, so what kind of time you want?
Give me some time. Just give, I bet you say anytime I come to you and say certain things to you, why surprise and shock?
Surprise and shock like what?
When me tell you, say, listen, this is it.
Why me would a surprise? When I eat me, I tell you some...
No, but that's why I ask you, say, give me some time, no? Just give me some time. You can't just stop abrupt so you don't understand what is going on in my brain. Just give me some time.
So what is going on in your brain?
About me and you. You don't understand. I don't think you understand, man. Just give me some time. That's all. Just like you're asking for that, just give me some time. And let us just simmer down. You understand what I say? Please.
Peanut Dread Part 1.
Me never get no money. Oh, me never get no money. Me say me never get no money. Me never get no money. Me never get no money. Rockstone. What is this?
You say no man, no woman, me not money.
Me give her $1,000. Me give her $5,000.
Oh, you get what you have.
Right, man.
Oh, me understand.
You say no man, no woman, me not money. Hello?
Boss.
So me start to pay back myself now.
The peanut bread where you sell? Where your business is?
Hey, madam, you don't know what happened. Every month at 200,000 me collect, you know.
No, where your business there? In the arbitrary?
No, I'm a peanut vendor.
Oh.
I'm a flagger. Every month at 200,000 me a collect here.
That's why she say you have money?
Die. And people set her upon me.
That's why she say you
That's
have
why,
money. But then you just can't, you know.
Thank you. They have two bikes. They have my van. My van right now for license and insurance, right? The money there, I feel license and insurance to buy a mini van and I have to go buy back my stuff. 40 grand. And the whole life gone. And you know, from that, I eat in a man.
You're afraid over your money.
But frustration come down from me because my business money. You think them the money is if you see, ma'am? 40 grand right now. Yeah, then I know say, I don't mean I control it now as the manager. And give me when I want, give me, because me can monitor the mother technology, ma'am. Yes, me, for me could do everything me know alright, man.
So how much money do you take?